The Skills Enhancement Fund is funded through the European Social Fund and co-financed by the Skills Funding Agency. Calderdale College, on behalf of the West Yorkshire Consortium of Colleges, manage the funding throughout Yorkshire and Humber. Since its launch in 2008, the Skills Enhancement Fund has supported over 16,000 employers and over 60,000 individuals through our provider network of over 200 delivery partners. LEP Skills Needs Research was also commissioned through the fund, which led on to the development of specific training programs including social media, leadership and management, lean manufacturing, engineering multi-skilling, and media production training, and many more. Hear about the impact from some of the employers who were able to access part-funded training through the framework route with Remploy.
My name's Susan Spence. I'm lead advisor for Remploy, and we specialise in bringing people with disabilities and long-term health conditions into employment. With the European Social Fund and Calderdale College, we worked in conjunction to bring training into the workplace for people with disabilities and health conditions. As Remploy, we observed this had a major impact and a major learning point for us, that the people who were in work that received the training felt much more motivated, much more enthused and appreciated. Over 70% would not have received that training without the funding provided through the programme and through the European Social Fund. And as a result of that training, over 80% felt more motivated by the fact they were being appreciated in the workplace and that time and money was being invested in them, their skills and the contribution to the workplace. Over 70% also felt that they were more confident in the work that they did, and a combination of those also progressed into new roles, more senior roles, therefore feeling part of the company and contributing as much as they possibly could. And it's a lesson for Remploy to learn as well that the in-work support part of our service is something that should perhaps incorporate that ongoing training and development once we've supported them into work. One of the many examples that we had, which springs to mind, is with Path Yorkshire. The organisation, like many organisations, had to look at moving forward, and that meant new people doing new jobs or existing people being retrained, which the funding wasn't there for. This contract and this funding stepped in, and two individuals specifically, and more besides, actually were able to take new jobs in their current employer because we provided and funded that very specific training. So they retained their position and actually progressed through the funding that was supplied.
My name is Daniel Mundet. I'm the Chief Executive at Path Yorkshire. We are a charity that support the BME communities and trying to reduce inequalities by promoting equal representation in the job market. We did a mental health training. It was the first ever training that we did on that subject, and it gave us a different insight, a different perspective, and we are looking into things that we didn't before, because now we are more aware of mental health issues. We know more about